Life Trading Pre-Market Day Trading Show. You're listening to the Real Life Trading Pre-Market Day Trading Show.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. How is it going, everybody? What is happening? This is Johnny Guarco, and we are live here in the RLT Beginner Room pre-market show. Good morning to everybody. Let me get my screens cruising around here. There you go. Let me get my chat up here. Here we go. Gregory Hill, what is happening, my brother? I missed you, man. Couldn't wait to get here on this fine Aloha Friday. You too, Albert. How you guys doing? Throw me a one if you can hear me, Lima Charlie. Lima Charlie. I love Lima Charlie. Loud and clear. Let me move my screens around here. So we got me, Lima Charlie, Greg. We're all systems go. We're good to go. We're hot. We're ready to roll. All right. We got to get cranking because, you know, Albert, man, he'll probably be leaving here in about an hour or so. So, Albert, we got to make some money for you, brother. All right. Whew. What a week, right? It's Aloha Friday, ready to rock. I'm excited, man. I got like 4 days and a wake up at work. That's it. I'm done. I'm POW. I'm history. 4 days and a wake up, brothers and sisters. Need it for the weekend. Yep, absolutely. I'm so psyched. Lucen, what are you doing, man? I missed you, Lucen. You going kayaking without me and doing all this fun stuff? They don't got alligators in them waters, do they? Thank you, Jojo. I appreciate that. I'm excited about April 29th. We are going to throw a party. I got to just see if I can get Newsome out here. He hasn't been out to see me in like a couple of years, I think. Not on that side of the Everglades. All right. That's a good thing. I'd be a little nervous to be in a kayak in some waters down there in southern Florida with some alligators running around. Good morning, Tanya. How you doing? What is going on? Where do you live, Tanya? I like to get to know my peeps. I love hearing where everybody is from. All right, let's roll. Beautiful Eugene, Oregon. Wow, that is beautiful country up there. I love it. Yeah, we got a lot of peeps up in the Washington, Oregon area. Now I got another fave. Now I got to come up there and do some skiing. Washington, I guess, yeah. Do they have any skiing resorts in Oregon? I'm not quite sure. I have to go check that out. All right, let's go check out the market. Not doing too much. It is a retest type of Friday, that is for sure. SPY, you can see we just had hellacious candle yesterday come on cranking through, engulfing the sun, the moon, and the universe. There's a few hours skiing east of here. Okay, I'm gonna go check that out. And Greg says I can ski or Mount Hood. You can you can ski on Mount. Are you being serious or are you just playing around with me? I'm a map guy, so I'm gonna go check you out, Greg. All right. Well, that's like saying you can ski on Mauna Kea. Do you know what Mauna Kea is, Greg? Go look up Mauna Kea. Okay, you already know. People do ski and snowboard on Mauna Kea, dude. Isn't that crazy? Just a few lava rocks up there to be cautious about, but otherwise pretty good to go. Yeah. There's real ski resorts. Okay. I believe you. I believe you. I'm a little bit gullible, but I believe you if Greg Hill says it. So we're futzing around like the 618, right? So which way are we going? I mean, with that kind of candle, one would thunk that we're going down, but we do have the 618 there. I think that might be a target again. We are gapping down just a little teeny bit. So we may come down here and bounce up. You know, it's checking out about the SPY. If you look at the SPY and look at all the black candles here, all the bearish candles, when you got two in a row, they do retest, right? Not many of them don't retest. So you just got to figure out now, are we going to retest first and then come roll over, or are we coming down and then going to come back up? So you can see all the retests. We do retest. Let's go check out the SPY minis. Check them out. I got all kinds of lines. I make myself dizzy. Here you go. There it is. So you can see on the S&P 500 E-mini futures, we be going kind of sideways-ish. Got a little bit of a channel going on there. No real direction right this second, but looks like also, when you look at the minis, you say to yourself, well, wow, this thing needs to be retested, right? So I'm thinking we do get a retest up here, maybe today. See if we can get a retest and then roll over, or whether we come down a little bit and then punch on up. We'll keep an eyeball on it. We are down a little bit at kind of a support area, right? People like to buy down here. Buy. Isn't that like a buy? Isn't that like an NSYNC song? Something like that. We got, looking at RSI. So there's plenty of room to come back up in here and retest. We'll keep an eyeball on that. Talking about plenty of room to come back and retest. So the Qs, big old hunking candle yesterday, took everybody out. I love my brush. I just love it. So the Qs, otherwise, we've come down past the 618 now. We've closed 618 is down in here. We've closed past the 618, but we're hanging on it. So you can see 618 down here. Makes sense to go Chopsville and some sidewards action, but we certainly are looking a little bit on the bearish side. Let's go look at the NQs, the QE minis. See what's happening there. So, yeah, we got trying to make some higher highs. That's looking pretty good. Maybe we'll retest first thing and then kind of roll over the rest of the day. That's a usual Friday happening, don't you all think? Usually we get some kind of roll over and then poop the bed. But you can see we're making higher highs, plenty of room to retest up in here. Probably have about 14 thou for my target up in here. Let's go see what Mr. Fibonacci has to say. What you saying this morning, Mr. Fibonacci? So it makes sense. 618 up here, about the 14 thou area. All right. Thanks, Thomas. I'm good to go, bro. I appreciate it, man. Thanks for checking me out. I'll power through, but I appreciate that. All right. So let's go see. We didn't finish looking at the Qs. Let's see what's going on the Qs. Just a hair, Albert Chen, just a hair. It takes a lot to stop Johnny Guarco. Just a hair. Y'all motivate me, so I get like this adrenaline shot. There you go. It's the Marine in me. Yeah, you guys motivate the heck out of me. I love hanging out with you guys. I can't wait. We're going to change up our venue here in May, man. I'm going to be retired. I'm going to be on the mic with you guys Monday through Friday. I'm stoked. Y'all going to have to come visit me. I don't know if you guys are tracking, but yeah, man, we're going to go all day long. So I got to, let me convert this into Johnny hours, because let's see. I think we're going from 9 in the morning Eastern to shoot. I think it's either 6 or 6 or 6. What is that? I get all confused. Yeah. Something. What time does
Eastern.
the swing room end on the East Coast? I forget. Yes, sir, Justin Linderman. Every day, you guys are going to have to deal with me. 9 to 3, is it? 9 o'clock at night. What time is that here in Hawaii? So 3 o'clock that's 9 this morning. 6 p.m. So we're going 9 to 3, right, Thomas? Yeah, I get all screwed up because of the time difference. 9 to 6.
Yeah, yep. 9 to 6.
We're going all day, and we're going to have various subjects. We're going to have various moderators on. It's going to be like opening your TV guide and seeing what's on for the day. But I'm going to be on, what is it? Every day, I'm going to be on from, give me a second, 11 a.m. Eastern to 12 till 2. 11 to 2 Eastern every day. You're going to have to deal with Johnny Guarco every schmacking day. One room, all different moderators. We're going to crank it. It's going to be so fun. We got everybody coming on. We're going to be talking futures, cryptos, real estate, long-term investing, options, day trading, swing trading. Just going to be the menagerie of everything. It's going to be awesome. Let me, Tanya says, yay. Yeah, it is. I'm excited, man. All right, let's go futzing around. I forgot to say hello to our YouTubers. We are live on YouTube, by the way. Hey, all you YouTubers out there checking us out. Thanks for coming to visit. We usually have some fun here, pre-market show. We look at a few stocks here and there. No, we do. But yeah, we are at reallifetrading.com. Come check us out, man. You can take all kinds of free courses, get all kinds of great information, all free. Nobody's going to charge you a penny for all that free information. And you can also come and join our team and join us in that room that we're talking about. We're starting that May 2nd. That's Jerremy Newsome's birthday, by the way. Y'all remember to wish him a happy birthday. Yep, May 2nd, we're starting that new room. So you can sign up at reallifetrading.com. Come check us out. And then we'll rock and roll together. We want you YouTubers with us on the team. And it's Dr. Robert Falco's birthday also. So if y'all want to have a party, come check us out, reallifetrading.com. Sign up for the room. By the way, everybody, the price is going down too. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I think the price is going down to like $275, and you're getting all day with real life trading. So what a great time. You got to come check us out. Be there, get that awesome price, and we'll rock and roll together. All right, I got to get on my horse because I've been messing around and not doing much here. But anyway, I got down here to 328 and 317 as some targets. So we'll see what happens. This is a place where people bought before, down at 328. You can see nice little bounce right there. Down here, people bought. So those are good areas for some bulls to come marching through. All right, let's go DIA real quick, and then I got to get on to our favorite stocks of the morning. Let's see. So wild day on the DIA yesterday, gapped up and then just cruised on down all day. So we're trying to make them higher highs. We're still looking pretty bullish. We'll see what happens here right at that intersection of the 100 and 200, but we are gapping down on the DIA this morning right into all those moving averages, retesting that 10 and 20 and 50. Hopefully we'll just bounce on out of there and cruise. All right, let's go check our 6 stocks of the day, and we'll see. Not much. Well, pre-market, not much was going on these 6 stocks that we follow every day. We are playing on the mic here in the rooms. We are playing the 10 EMA strategy, which we look for breakout of the high and low from previous day. And then we look for a bounce, a retest off the 10 EMA average. So we'll be playing that today. You can see here on Delta, we're just like skyrocketing, flying to the moon. Excuse me. I got a bunch of gaps on Delta. You know, I'm a gap watcher, y'all who follow me, right? I like to watch those gaps. So in orange here, all those gaps. So we should take a poll. I would say this one obviously going to get filled. Let's see where Mr. Fibonacci brings us down to on here for a little bit of a correction. So yeah, we could fill that one, no problem. That makes sense. So question is, on Delta, do we come down and fill this gap right here and this gap right here? So not many gaps gone unfilled over here on the Delta. This was a gap before that got filled one time. Now it's a gap again. So that's a pretty big retracement, correction, whatever you want to call it. Let's go see what here. Yeah, that's like 30%. That's a big old hunking thing. All right, so we'll watch the old Delta. Right now it's inside day, so we got to wait till it breaks out from yesterday. Big old shooting star, looking like definitely wants to come back and fill that gap probably today, that first gap. And then we got Nvidia. We got Nvidia kind of hanging out there right now too. Got a bunch of gaps I'm following, but we look like we're trying to break on down even more. We got obviously any bears coming down, they got down here as their target, right? Because we bought here many times before. So looks like Nvidia should bounce down here somewhere about 190-ish. But right now, not doing too much. Hey, just FYI, I'm going to be like putting you guys on mute every once in a while this morning. I might have to cough or sneeze, something like that, like I'm getting ready to do. So hold on 1 second. All right, I'm back. We might be doing that a few times this morning. Anyway, Nvidia looking kind of weak sauce, looking like we're coming down a little bit further. Keep an eye on that. Right now, it's still inside day from yesterday, but we've broken in support and retest gap. We should either come up and retest and then roll over, or come down and then retest back on up into the support area. Robert says CLF is the only bullish gap you can find. Go check out jd.com also, Robert. That's one I was checking out this morning. I'll go check out Cliff here in a second. Greg says, unless the airlines take a big hit in general, I don't see the bottom gap being filled anytime soon. Yeah, it's a long ways away to get filled. I agree with you, Greg. And one would think that, well, never know with COVID, right? We could get another hellacious outbreak of some silliness and then airlines take a hit. But yeah, that's a big one. I was saying the same thing on the SPY. Remember, Greg? I think you were with us. We were up in here, and if I was remembering right, well, here's still one that's unfilled down here, but we had about 6 gaps that we were saying, holy cow, if that thing comes all the way down here, holy smokes. So you never know. You never know. What time is it? All right, I got to get cranking here. Apple. So it got kind of a little bit of a channel thing going on here on Apple. We're inside day from yesterday. So we got to wait for that breakout. But yep, looks like everything is trying. We'll see what happens at open, but we may get that breakdown and then come back and retest. Greg, if my voice doesn't hold up, man, I'm going to ask you to moderate today. Is that all right? That's basically what happens around here. You hang out too long and we make you do some moderating. Anyway, we're looking like we kind of just in this channel right in here. But we'll see. If anything, we should break down and then retest up. Yep, still in that channel. There's the weekly. May not come all the way down here today, but yeah, I think we'd probably come down here a little bit and then punch up on Apple. We'll keep an eyeball on that. AMD just taking a beating, man. I'm going to put some shares maybe. I got some shares maybe that I'm going to get put at 95. So that's okay, because I love my AMD, especially down here. Hold on 1 second again. Apologize. I'm all right. I'll be okay, Tanya. But yeah, we got next stop to me. It looks like we're coming down here to like 90-ish. Is that 90? Oh no, 85-ish. We're at 90 now, 89 now. So what do we got down here on the weekly? Yep, we can come on down. We got that 90 area or 84 area, then all the way down here to that 200, down to 71. I may have to be doing some hedging. All right. So, yep, that's what we got on the AMD right now. Looking kind of weak sauce, maybe coming downtown. Tesla was gapping up a little bit this morning, kind of not so much right now, but we got just a bunch of hunk and junk right there. The 10 and the 20 holding us up. We do have this whole area of support down in here. Kind of got this whole channel thing going on again, like we did back here a little bit. So we'll keep an eye on the old Tesla, see if we can get a bounce out of there. But that was a big old day yesterday. Hope you all made some money on that Tesla. Look at that run on Tesla yesterday. That was 10 EMA strategy all day long, right? There's a 5, there's a 3. Phew, that thing cranked on down. So we are down there, close down to support again. So we'll see if we can get a bounce once again down at the 10 EMA. And then our favorite stock of the day. A lot of people don't like Roblox just because it's all over the place, but Anyway, you can see where way on down there, down at 34 bucks, all-time low. And we just keep cruising on down. How low can we go? Y'all think Roblox gets down there towards 20-ish? I think we break 30. That's what I'm thinking. All right. Anyway, yep, just like everything else, we're still not really gapping at all, just hanging out at the close from yesterday. But you can see a lot of selling off came in. Some of this one would think that it would be some buying. Let's go check out the end of the day on Roblox. And then I have to say aloha to all our YouTube friends. Yeah, I was going to say, it would seem to me some of that volume was buying at the end of the day. So yeah, we got this kind of little bit of a high wave. Then we tried to have a little bit of a hammer out of there and see if we can punch up VWAP. Got to get up here. This is a natural target, obviously 35 bucks to get back to. And we'll just keep an eye on it. I'm going to be having patience as I always do this morning. So hope y'all don't mind. I might have to bring on an interview or two just so I can give my little voicey a rest. But hey, let me say aloha to all our YouTubers because we're getting ready to go live. Well, we're live YouTube, but we're ready to go market live. Anyway, like I talked about earlier, starting May 2nd, we're having a new room set up. So come check us out at the website. You can check out all the free courses we got. You can learn how to trade from beginner all the way to our advanced courses. Let me go show you what we got here. Here's a bunch of courses that are on my dashboard. You can see with all these, look at all the red free courses that we got. Come here, reallifetrading.com, sign up, see our main man, Jerremy Newsome. These are all free courses here. We have a foundation, we have blogs with all kinds of free information. We got stock reviews, we got meetups and real estate shows. Come check us out. We'd love to have you on the team. Until we talk again, when is that going to be? Monday morning, I'll be back. But you guys have a great weekend, and we will talk to you guys soon. Aloha from here in Honolulu, Hawaii. Check it out.